Hi friends, I am Selvaraj Mudaliar, the Divisional CFO of Godrej Aerospace, Mumbai. I would like to share a few words about Mr. Vishal Shah. I have been associated with Siddharth Academy for almost 15-16 years now. When I was doing ICAA Inter in Siddharth Academy, there was a boy sitting next to me, and he was very outspoken, and his boldness and conviction in dialogue delivery has attracted me, and I became friend of him very soon. Even after a couple of attempts, I could not clear ICAA Inter, whereas he has cleared Inter and finals in all his first attempts, and he has become cost accountant also. When I was once again joined the Siddharth Academy for my finals, I was surprised to see Vishal, who was my lecturer. Once a friend has become my own professor within a period of 5 years. He is such a thorough gentleman, thorough professional. When he enters the lecture room, he is always on ready mode to deliver the lecture. He is gifted with such a strong voice that he can be heard even at the distance of 100 meters. He is very punctual, very result oriented, and always used to devote extra time for the students who needs it for a better result. I am pretty sure his contribution to Siddharth Academy students is always appreciated even as of today. Vishal sir, your positivity and encouragement has brightened me, enlightened me, my student life. Thank you very much for creating an eventful educational environment during my stint with Siddharth Academy. All the hard work that you had put in for teaching me day after day has not gone unnoticed. Today, I am heading the finance function of Godrej Aerospace, and you have an immense contribution. Thank you for everything. You have made such a positive impact on my life, and I can't thank you enough. I would be failing in my duties if I do not adequately thank you and Mr. Vinay Bhagwat, the founder of Siddharth Academy, for leading all the students from the front. Thank you.